How to choose the right prefab container house for your project. Be sure to save this guide. It will help you save both time and money. The following 4 points will definitely be helpful to you. It is not limited by container dimensions and can be designed according to your specific requirements. You can customize the length, width, and height, as well as the layout of the rooms. The thickness of the steel frame and wall panels can also be upgraded. Of course, you can also freely choose different types of doors and insulation materials. If your project requires a high level of customization, then choose it. Detachable container houses and Flatpack container houses both perform well in rainy and humid environments and meet industrial-grade rainproof standards. The roof of the detachable container house is designed higher in the middle and lower at the edges, so that rainwater flows into the gutters and is then discharged to the ground through pipes inside the columns. The Flatpack container house works on the same principle, but because its roof and base are prefabricated in the factory, the risk of leakage during on-site installation is reduced. The main difference between the two lies in shipping cost. Taking a 40 HQ container as an example, it can hold about 11 sets of detachable container houses, but can only hold 8 sets of Flatpack container houses. Therefore, I suggest you make your choice based on the shipping cost. For projects requiring frequent relocation as the project progresses, such as mining, road construction, or emergency rescue, folding container houses are the undisputed first choice. Due to its integrated structure design, no complex module assembly is required. Just lift it up, open it, and fix the front and rear wall panels with high-strength bolts, and it can be used immediately. The labor cost is reduced by 90%. The hinge part has been tested to withstand more than 1,000 folding cycles without any damage. Even after multiple moves, it remains sturdy and durable. In the Indonesian coal mine camp project, the foldable container solution allows the camp to be put into use within a few days, shortening the construction period by 80% compared to traditional buildings. And subsequent relocation requires only a small amount of labor, greatly reducing non-productive downtime.
Nice.
If you are looking for immediate accommodation and turnkey living, Expandable Container House would be a great option. All the pipes, wiring, doors, windows, bathrooms of the house have been pre-manufactured in the factory and do not require on-site processing. Just place the furniture, and you can start living here. Taking a 20-foot house as an example, when unfolded, the area can reach 36 square meters. The internal space can be designed as 1 to 4 bedrooms, plus kitchen plus bathroom, which is more flexible and offers higher comfort. Different usage needs require matching different types of container houses. Please tell me which one you need.